Look and listen. Postman. Chef. Pilot. Firefighter. Vet. Doctor. Baker. Police officer. What are they? Look and listen.
He flies planes. What is he?
He's a pilot. Now, you answer.
She works in the kitchen. What is she?
She's a chef.
He works in a hospital. What is he?
He's a doctor.
She drives a police car. What is she?
She's a police officer.
He brings our letters. What is he?
He's a postman.
He makes bread. What is he?
He's a baker.
She helps animals. What is she?
She's a vet.
He fights fires. What is he?
He is a firefighter.